Good day, viewers, and you are welcome. Let's see how we can solve these radical cube roots and algebral equations. We have cube root of 10 minus x equals x. So to solve this, the first method we are going to take is, the first step is by taking the cube of both sides. As we have this as cube root of 10 minus x, then we raise it to the power of 3 equals x to the power of 3. So cube and cube root cancels. Then we have 10 minus x equals x to the power of 3. So having this, we are trying to arrange this as we take the whole of this here. Then we have x to the power of 3. So when this comes, it becomes plus x, and when this comes, becomes minus 10 equals 0. So here is x cube plus x minus 10 equals 0. We form cube root equations. So having this, the next thing we are going to do is we try to break this down as we have x to the power 3 plus x. So we break it into the power of these two as minus open bracket x 8 plus 2 equals 0. Then we open the parentheses. We have x raised to power 3 plus x minus 8 minus 2 equals 0. So we try to group this, and we have this as x to the power 3 minus 8 in bracket plus x minus 2 equals 0. So 8 can also be written in exponent form as x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 in bracket plus x minus 2 equals 0. So we have to note this, that let's say we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. It is given as a minus b open bracket a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b squared. A is difference of 2 cube. So by substituting it in this one, as a is x and b is 2, we have x minus 2 in bracket open bracket x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared. So if this is for x cube minus 2 cube, then plus x minus 2, everything equals 0. So we have here as x minus 2, and here is also x minus 2. By trying to factor it out, we have x minus 2 in bracket, then open bracket. When we divide this one by x minus 2, we are left with x squared plus 2x plus, so 2 squared is given as 4, then plus, so suppose we divide this side as well by x minus 2, we are left with 1 in bracket, everything equals 0. So next is we have x minus 2 in bracket open bracket, here is x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So with this, what we get, we are going to say that x minus 2 equals 0. Therefore, we have x equals 2, which is the first solution to this problem. And also we have x to the power of 3 plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. So if this is x to the power 2, because the question says x to the power 3, we need to get 3 solutions. And one of the solutions we are going to get is x equals 2. So for the other one, we get it from here. And how can we solve this quadratic equation since we cannot factorize it? So unfactorizable quadratic equation like this, we are going to apply the formula method to solve it. And it says that if you have x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a, and we get all these a and b from here, x squared plus 2x plus 5, where the value of a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, and the value of b is coefficient of x, which is 2. Then we have the value of c, which is constant value as 5. So by plugging it in this, we have x equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of, so 2 square, which is for b, minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 and c is 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So here we have x equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of, so 2 square is given as 4 minus, and 4 times 5 is 20, everything divided by 2. So here we have x equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of, we have this as minus 16 divided by 2. But we have to note that the square root of minus 16 can also be 16 multiplied by minus 1. As we have 16 multiplied by minus 1, we separate it as square root of 16 multiplied by square root of minus 1. And the square root of minus 1 is given as I, and square root of 16 is given as 4. So which means we have this as 4i. So therefore, the value of x here equals minus 2 plus or minus 4i divided by 2. So it is with the belief that when we try to factor out 2 here, we have the value of x equals minus 1 plus or minus 2i. And we have this as x2 comma x3 as the two other solutions to this problem. So if we try to verify for this at x equals 2 and at x equals minus 1 plus or minus 2i, I believe all of them satisfy this for both complex and real solution. So if we try to verify for the real solution to this at x equals 2, so it is very simple, as we are going to get cube root of 10 minus 2, everything equals 2. That's what we are going to get. And here is 8, and cube root is given as raised to the power of 1 over 3. So we can also write 8 as 2 to the power of 3, all raised to the power of 1 divided by 3. So if this cancelled, so we have 2 as what we have at the right hand side. So which means at x equals 2 satisfy this problem, and I've already tested for it when x equals minus 1 plus or minus 2i. They also satisfy. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do it to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.